Hi, my name's Eleanor and today we're going to be looking at what affects gas pressure. We're going to be using marble chips and hydrochloric acid. Here I have an acid, the marble chips, a conical flask, a bung attached with a rubber tube, a glass bowl and a measuring cylinder filled with water. We're going to place the marble chip into the conical flask. And then we're going to add the acid.
Now we're going to time how long it takes for the water to reach to 50.
Now that the measuring cylinder has emptied, we can see that it took 56.93 seconds.
Now I'm going to write it on the table of results.
This time we're going to repeat the experiment but using smaller marble chips. So again, I'm going to place the smaller marble chips into my conical flask.
We're going to fill this flask back up with water and then place the bung attached with a rubber tube into it.
You ready? Now we're going to reset the time.
These are a few things that could have gone wrong in the experiment, because in theory this should have been quicker than that, but obviously it wasn't. Eleanor, do you think it was the amount of marble chips?
Well, now that you mention it, I did add more of the larger marble chips, so it could have been quite unfair on the smaller marble chips.
Sure. What about the hydrochloric acid?
Well, we didn't actually measure the hydrochloric acid, so that could be another mistake.
That is true. These two are human errors that really could have, fixed. Do you reckon it was the timing?
Definitely. Sometimes we timed it after we had put in the acid, and sometimes we timed it before. So,
it's very true. Do you reckon it might have been the measuring cylinder position?
yes, because if the measuring tube was pushing down on the bung, then it would have stopped the flow of air coming through the bung and through the rubber tube into the measuring cylinder.
They are both true. All of these things are things that we could have fixed and did go wrong to affect the timing. What we could have done, or what you could do at home, is we could have repeated it 3 times to get an average, and that would have been a fair test.
To the month, with the acid, we could have heated it or given it a higher concentration.
So, here you can see that this must have had a higher gas pressure than this. That's why this is quicker. But in theory, this should have been.
Here we're looking at gas pressure in another way. So I've got a crushed water bottle and I'm going to be adding 3 generous spoons of baking soda. And now we're going to be adding some hydrochloric acid.
Okay, put the lid on straight away. This happens because in a solid, particles are really rigid and in a fixed shape. But in a liquid, they're slightly more flexible and aren't in fixed shape, as you can see in the diagram here. But in a gas, they're all very flexible and are moving away from each other a lot.
Conclusion to the experiment, we can see how heat and concentration affect gas pressure. Bye!
Bye bye!